Through the years, radiation has slowly but surely been affecting everyone on Earth. The outcome, a zombie apocalypse. There are 3 different zombie types which come from 3 different types of radiation. Gamma, the strongest and most dangerous. Beta, which is not as strong or as dangerous. And Alpha, the weakest of the 3 zombies and radiations. Gamma is the most agile and most aware of everything around it. When first discovered, a metal cage couldn't contain the dead. It is quick and strong and should be avoided. Beta, which is not as strong as Gamma but still dangerous, can be hard to fend for oneself if one doesn't know how to protect themselves against the zombie. Then there's Alpha. This zombie runs and climbs, but you don't have to worry about it knocking down doors or smelling you from a long distance. During the lab experiment, different tools were given to conduct it. A Geiger counter, our radiation sources, a ruler, and the computer that had the radiation counting program. With the program set up and radiation source set in front of the Geiger counter, we continued with our lab and set each source at different distances away from the counter, along with different shielding. What we didn't realize was what this radiation would soon lead to. Please note in this section that the bar graphs are used for different shielding types, while line graphs were used for distance. In this bar graph, a person can easily see just how strong Gamma is. Even though it is being blocked by lead, there is not much difference, and the radiation level is still very high. Results for distance, however, show that a human is much safer the farther they are from the source. Beta also shows very high radiation levels when there is nothing to protect you, but as soon as there is a lead shielding, the levels drop significantly, while on distance, the level nearly drops a fourth from what it was at just a small distance change. Alpha showed the weakest radiation levels, and as seen in the bar graph, the radiation can almost completely be blocked by paper alone. Just like Beta, with the slightest change in distance, Alpha is barely detected. Paper doesn't shield Beta and Gamma as well as it does with Alpha. Why? This is because alpha radiation is made up of 2 protons and neutrons, which led to a bigger atom to have to pass through. Beta is made up of a tiny electron, which makes it no problem to get through paper, while Gamma is just energy. No protons, neutrons, or electrons.